Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to see a problem on potential, right, electric flux density and potential and electric field intensity formula, and also on work done. Okay, so I have divided this into two parts. So I'll solve the first part in this slide, and second part I will take another slide and solve the second part. Okay, if you are first time to my channel, please consider subscribing and hit the bell icon to get video notifications from my channel. Right, so in this question, in the first part of this question, he has given the potential V, okay, and he has asked to find the electric flux density. Okay, so we know that electric flux density is equal to epsilon naught E bar. D bar is equal to epsilon naught E bar. So we know the value of epsilon naught. So first of all we need to find the value of E bar. Okay, so we know the relationship between E bar and V, which is given by minus del V. Okay, so minus del V, since it is a spherical coordinate system, so how can we write this? So minus of, so this minus sign I am taking as it is here, dou V by dou R, dou V by dou R AR cap, plus 1 by R into, okay, so for gradient formula, right, so I have given you the formula in my basic classes only, right, so there I have given you a single formula and I have explained you how to write the gradient formula for all the three types of Cartesian all the three types of coordinate systems. Okay, so from there I have taken this formula. So if you have not seen that video, I am giving the link in the description. So playlist link I am giving in the description. So from there go and see the basics videos, that is first 3 or 4 videos of my EMTL playlist. Okay, so I am directly writing the formula, 1 by R into dou V by dou theta of A theta cap plus 1 by R sin theta, 1 by R sin theta into dou V by dou phi of A phi cap. Okay, so I have explained you there in my videos, so how to write this formula. Okay, so no need to remember this formula, you just have to remember the common coordinate system. So from there you can remember only one formula, you can apply it to all the other coordinate systems. Okay, simple procedure I have explained in my basic videos. Right, so we need to find dou V by dou R, dou V by dou theta and dou V by dou phi first. So dou V by dou R, so V is 10 by R square sin theta cos phi. So dou V by dou R, when you differentiate with respect to R, so 1 by R square, so 10 sin theta cos phi, all these are constant, right, sorry, cos phi, all these are constants. So dou by dou R of 1 by R square, so dou by dou R of 1 by R square is minus 2 by R cube, so minus 20 by R cube you will get. Okay, so dou by dou R of 1 by R square is minus 2 by R cube, so minus 2 into 10 is minus 20 by R cube sin theta cos phi. Okay, so this is dou V by dou R. Right, next is dou V by dou theta. So when you are doing with respect to theta, all the remaining things are constant. So 10 by R square constant, okay, cos phi is also constant, so we'll get dou by dou theta of sin theta. So dou by dou theta of sin theta is cos theta, so it will be 10 by R square cos theta cos phi. Okay, similarly dou V by dou phi, when you are doing with respect to phi, remaining things are constant, so 10 by R square sin theta, all these two are constant, so dou by dou phi of cos phi. Okay, so dou by dou phi of cos phi is minus sin phi, so it will be minus 10 by R square, minus 10 by R square into sin theta into sin phi. Okay, so this is the thing. So E bar is equal to minus of dou V by dou R. Dou V by dou R is this, minus 20 by R cube sin theta cos phi into AR cap, plus, so 1 by R into dou V by dou theta. Dou V by dou theta is this. Dou V by dou theta is this. So you have to multiply it with 1 by R. So this here also I am multiplying with 1 by R. So it becomes 10 by R cube here. Okay. So 10 by R cube. So plus 10 by R cube. Okay. So 10 by R cube into cos theta cos phi. Cos theta cos phi, and this is A theta cap. Next, plus 1 by R sin theta into dou V by dou phi. Dou V by dou phi is this. 1 by R sin theta you have to multiply. Okay, so here also I'm multiplying with 1 by R into sin theta. So sin theta, this sin theta gets cancelled. So R square into R becomes minus R. So there will be a minus sign here. Okay, instead of plus there will be a minus sign here. So minus 10 by R cube. So here R square and here R will be there. So minus 10 by R cube into sin phi A phi cap. Okay, so this is the formula for E bar, and he has asked to find D bar at this point. So first of all we will calculate E bar at that point. So E bar at 2 comma pi by 2 comma 0, that is R is equal to 2, theta is equal to pi by 2, and phi is equal to 0. Okay, so when you substitute, what you will get is equal to minus of, so minus 20 by R cube, so it will be minus 20 by 8 sin theta. Sin theta means sin pi by 2. Sin pi by 2 is 1. Cos phi is also 1, so it will be AR cap, plus 10 by R cube. So 10 by R cube is 8. Cos theta is cos pi by 2. So cos pi by 2 is 0. So 0 here, and cos phi is 1 here. Okay, so this will be A theta cap, minus 10 by R cube into sin phi. Sin phi is sin 0. So sin 0 is 0 only. A phi cap. So this becomes 0. So because 0 into 10 by R cube is also 0, so this also becomes 0. So only left over is this. So it will be 10 by 4, that is 2.5. 2.5 AR cap. So this is E bar. E bar is equal to 2.5 AR cap, volt per meter. Okay, so then what will be D bar? D bar is equal to epsilon naught E bar. So epsilon naught into E bar. So epsilon naught is 8.854 into 10 to the power of minus 12 into E bar is 2.5 AR cap. 2.5 AR cap. Okay, so if you solve it with the calci, so you'll get D bar as 22.1 picocoulomb per meter square. Okay, picocoulomb per meter square. Right, so this is how we can solve the problem. So if you are given with potential, first of all you need to calculate, E bar, that is field intensity, electric field intensity. From E bar you can calculate the flux density. Okay, so at any given point, right? So next we'll solve another problem, right? So second problem, that is B question in the same question. So same potential is given for you, and he has asked in the second question to calculate the work done in moving a 10 microcoulomb charge from point A to point B. Okay, so we need to find the work done. So what is the relationship between work done and potential? So we know that it is VAB. VAB is equal to W by Q. Okay, so potential difference is equal to the work done per unit charge, right? So we want to find W, so W is equal to VAB into Q, so that is Q into VAB. VAB is VB minus VA. VAB is VB minus VA. This also have proved. So VAB is equal to VB minus VA. This we already seen in potential concept. Okay, so we need to find VB and VA. So we have V. So V is equal to 10 by R square into sine theta cos phi. So we need VB first. So VB is given by the potential at point B. So at point B, okay, so at point B, R is equal to 4, theta is equal to 90 degrees and phi is equal to 60 degrees. So it will be 10 by R square is 16. Okay, so 10 by 16 into sine theta is sine 90 degrees and cos phi is cos 60 degrees. Okay, so 10 by 16 is 5 by 8, sine 90 is 1, right? So into 1 by 2, so it will be 5 by 16 volts. Similarly VA, right? So VA is V at A, so at point A, okay, so at point A, R is equal to 1, theta is equal to 30 degrees and phi is equal to 120 degrees. So VA is equal to 10 by R square is 1. Okay, sine theta, sine 30 degrees, cos phi is cos 120 degrees. Okay, so it will be 10 into sine 30, sine 30 is 1 by 2 and cos 120, cos 90 plus 30, so sine minus sine 30, so it will be minus 1 by 2 here. Okay, so 2 ones are 2 5s are, so it will be minus 5 by 2, minus 5 by 2. So work done is equal to Q, right? So work done is equal to Q. Q value is 10 microcoulomb, so 10 into 10 to the power of minus 6 into VB. So VB is 5 by 16 minus of VA. VA is minus 5 by 2. Okay, so W is equal to 10 into 5 by 16 plus 5 by 2, right, microjoules. If you solve this value using your calci, so you'll get around 28.125 microjoules. So micro because it is multiplied by 10 to the power of minus 6, so microjoules. Okay, so this is how we can calculate the work done. If you are given with points and potential, just find the VA value and VB value. So okay, so W is equal to Q into VB minus VA. Okay, so if you remember all the formulas correctly, then you can solve any problem regarding potential, right?